It's funny how sometimes the most powerful solutions to our problems are hiding right in plain sight. And if you're a gardener, one of the best ones might just be sitting in your kitchen pantry as we speak. Let's dive in.
We've all been there, right? You're so proud of your beautiful plants, you've been watering them, caring for them, and then you see it. Tiny little pests starting to take over. It's so frustrating, whether you've got a huge garden or just a couple of pots on the windowsill.
But what if the answer wasn't some expensive, chemical-heavy spray from the garden store? In this explainer, we're diving into a guide that points to a fantastic, eco-friendly solution that, believe it or not, has probably been on your shelf this whole time.
So, what is this unexpected hero? This secret weapon from your pantry? It's not some complex, hard to pronounce chemical. It's simple, humble, everyday flour.
Yup, you heard that right. The same stuff you use to make cookies can be your new go-to pesticide. Now, the really cool part is how it works. See, it's not a poison, it's a mechanical solution. When you spray it, the sticky mixture literally gums up the insects' joints so they can't move, and it can even clog up their little breathing pores. So now that we know why it works, let's look at how to make it.
And this is the best part, the sheer simplicity of it. You really don't need to be a scientist to whip this up. If you can follow a basic recipe, you are good to go.
It really just comes down to three basic things that I'm almost certain you have in your kitchen right now.
So here's the shopping list. First, you need 2 to 4 tablespoons of flour, and the source says any baking flour works, so wheat, potato, whatever you've got. Then 4 cups of warm water, and last but not least, 1 teaspoon of soap. And that little bit of soap is actually super important. It acts like a sticker to help the mixture actually cling to the leaves instead of just dripping right off.
All right, so you've got your ingredients. Now let's talk about putting it all together, which is honestly just as easy.
Okay, here we go. 3 simple steps. First, just mix your flour into the warm water. Easy enough. Second, add that teaspoon of soap. And third, and this is a key little tip, give the whole thing a really good stir right before you pour it into a spray bottle and start using it. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so you've made your super simple, all-natural spray. It's ready to go. But what is it actually good for? Because when it comes to pest control, you've got to know who your target is.
And this isn't some kind of hope it works, maybe it will help kind of thing. According to our source, this is a seriously effective weapon against some of the most common and most destructive pests you're likely to find in your garden.
And here's the official hit list. This flower spray is your go-to for fighting aphids, spider mites, thrips, and whiteflies. All those tiny little critters that cause so much damage. Now you have a simple, homemade way to fight back.
So really, what's the big takeaway here? It's that you now have this awesome new tool in your gardening arsenal. It's simple to make, it's smart, and it's totally safe for your plants, your family, and the environment.
And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? I mean, if a powerful pesticide can be made from a little bit of flour, what other brilliant, simple solutions are just sitting in our cupboards, waiting to be discovered? It's definitely something to think about next time you're in the kitchen.